All right, first ever drive. 2 4S batteries. My only other RC car was a 2S, and for a short time I had a 3S with my mini e-Revo or the Merv. Trying to be good. First drive ever. Don't want to hurt it. Oh my gosh, I already love it. I don't know, guys. Oh, there we go. It's got a plastic servo in it, so in a couple weeks I'll be going to the same place I bought it from today. Bought it like an hour ago. And I'll be getting metal servos. Oh my god. I'm sorry, mini e-Revo, but there's just something about a monster truck that's just, oh my god. No. I can't even tell you how, oh my god. All right, so this is the part where my mini e-Revo would not handle. Just too much snow. I'm sad, I gotta. Say what?
Let's go do that with the real truck.
I know, right? That sounds like fun. A little bit of struggle there. I feel bad for that plastic servo. I know it's gonna go. Just a matter of time, and see if we can make it up this. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. It comes barreling at you. Dude, it just chogs snow. Oh my god, it just spits snow at you. Definitely handles the power way better than a Merv, dude. Merv is like just so twitchy. This thing just like stays planted. I mean, I figured as much. I mean, come on. There's only so much you can do. Oh my god, it's heavy as crap. For the weight of this thing, there's no way that little plastic servo is gonna last long. All right. Should I not? Why not? Oh no. Let's see how slow it can climb it. Why not? Oh, nice and slow. Oh, not that slow. It's so heavy. I don't think so. I don't. Oh, almost. All right, I gotta go in for work, so I work from home, so gotta get on my computer. No! I want to get a good, nice one that lands on its wheels. No! It's like it's not gonna happen. How much you want to bet I'll go like 3 days before I have a servo go out? Yes! All right, time to go in, buddy.